Krishna. The nature of the holy name is to purify a place and bring happiness to the people who utter the holy name, and also to expand the devotees who are chanting the holy name. For example, Srila Prabhupada put the holy name in New York in the park. Eventually, you saw that the people in the park became purified and they became happy. And then the holy name further started expanding from that one place to many other places like San Francisco and Los Angeles and London and Russia and Australia and Canada and all those, Asia, all over the world. Prabhupada said, just as the Matsyavatara, it looks like a small fish, then it becomes a big fish, bigger fish, huge fish. Similarly, wherever the holy name is chanted purely, intensely, inoffensively, in a mood of taking shelter, the nature of the holy name is that it purifies the chanter, it purifies those who hear the holy name, and it also expands the movement of Krishna consciousness more and more. So the basis of Krishna consciousness movement is Prabhupada's books, which is also a recorded sound vibration, and it is also the holy name, which is a substance to be released and substance to be distributed. As Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Prithivite achaya dinagaradigram sarvatra prachara hoibamorana. So this is the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to see the holy name spread all over the world. And the secret of spreading this holy name is to oneself sincerely chant the holy name, gradually try to chant it more and more inoffensively and purely. So the degree anyone who does it, then they will be empowered by the Lord to distribute the holy name far and wide. So that is the power of the holy name. So Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam, it is said. See, Kairava is a white lotus and Chandrika is the moon. So there is a lotus in the daytime which blossoms by the sun. But there is another lotus, which you call lily, you call it, it actually blossoms in the night. So why night? Because the material world is compared to night, darkness. But this white lotus is a jiva who is in a very closed avrita chetana, sankuchi chetana, is very closed. So his fragrance is hidden inside his heart. But when you chant the holy name, the lotus blossoms. Similarly, the heart of the jiva blossoms from avrita chetana, sankuchi chetana, mukullit chetana, vikasita chetana, and purna vikasit chetana. In this way it blossoms. How do you know a devotee is blossoming? Anyone who comes to Krishna consciousness movement, you will see they become more intelligent, they become more happy, they become more pure, they become more healthy in body, mind and soul. So, Shreya means, as Arjuna says, Yachreyasyanashchitam bruhitanme. There is prayas, there is Shreyas. Prayas means temporary benefit. Shreyas means eternal benefit. So the holy name increases the eternal benefit, blossoms the soul, and when the lotus blossoms, the fragrance comes out and spreads everywhere. Similarly, when the devotee blossoms, then the devotee's devotion also spreads outside everywhere and expands the movement of Krishna consciousness. In this way, the holy name makes everything mangalmaya. Tasmat sankirtanam Vishnu jagan mangalam amhasam. It makes the world auspicious, it purifies the chanter, it also makes the chanter happy, and it also becomes a spreader of happiness. So, any temple project, we start by installing the deity, by preaching the message of Srila Prabhupada, by distributing his books, and chanting the holy name. The main purpose is this only. The sound vibration of the holy name is the substance of a temple. When that substance is understood and relished sincerely, deeply by the residents of the temple, then the temple becomes like a lighthouse, spreading the enlightenment to people and spreading the holy name and increasing the enlivenment of the people also. In their own lane, in their own city, And in this way the holy name can spread far and wide. The extent to which the holy name can expand will depend on the extent to which the holy name is chanted purely. The holy name is chanted inoffensively and attentively and carefully, respectfully, seriously. Then the holy name has exerts its effect more and more very powerfully. Harinam Prabhu ki